Hi guys, welcome to Code It. In the last video, we have seen how to add menu, how to add filters to the collection and upload logo and also to add title and description. In this video, we are going to add a new theme for our Shopify store and we are going to customize the home page. But before going ahead, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. So without wasting much time, let's start. So in order to view the themes on the Shopify store, we need to click on online store under the sales channel. Then we have the option of themes. Over here on the screen, we can see all the themes that we have on the Shopify store. Like currently we have the Dawn theme. By default, Shopify gives us this theme. Since this default theme Dawn doesn't have a lot of features, we are going to install a free theme. Shopify store has few free themes. We'll have a look at it. In order to view the free themes, we need to click on free themes button over here. Shopify store doesn't have many free themes. We can see the free themes over here. If you want a paid theme, then you can go to their main Shopify theme store and you can purchase one. In our future videos, we'll see how to add a paid theme to our Shopify store and how we can use it. So now let's install one of the themes. I'll install this theme called Refresh. Once we click on it, we have the Add to Theme Library button over here. But let's see what features this theme provides us. They have given few features over here like quick buy option, slideshow, advanced product filtering, and customer testimonials. Let's install this by clicking on Add to Theme Library. Once we click on it, the theme will be installed on our Shopify store. And now over here, we can see the theme name and it shows installing. This takes few seconds to complete. Now we can see that the refresh theme has been successfully added and it shows us just added. It also shows us the version of the theme, that is the current version is 1.0.0. We can go under actions and then we need to click on publish to publish the theme to the live store. Then we are going to replace the Dawn theme with the current theme. Previously over here, Dawn theme was shown. Now since we have clicked on published option, now the new added refresh theme is now shown over here. Now let's customize the home page. We need to go under customize option over here. So guys, this is the theme customizer. We'll also open the website. In order to open the website, click on the three dots given over here and click on view. In the new tab, your website will open. Guys, now you can see that the website look has changed completely. Also, if you scroll down, then the look of the cards of the products over here also is much better than they were on the Dawn theme. So now let's do the customization for this home page. Let's go under the customizer settings over here. First, we'll have a look at the announcement bar. We can make changes to it. So guys, this is the announcement bar over here which is shown on the top over here. Welcome to our store. We can change the text to it. So if I click over here, then at the right side we can see the announcement bar settings. So now I can make changes to it. Like I'll give sale is live. Also, we can change the color of it. Like we have accent 1, accent 2, and background 1, 2, and inverse. So now if I change, then the color is also changed. You can see the preview over here. Now again, if I change the color, then again you will see the difference. Let's keep accent 1 only because it looks much better. We can also give a link to it. Like I can give a collection like sales. So when the customers will click on it, they'll land on the sales collection. Now let's click on save and we'll see how it looks on the front end. And now let's refresh this page. So guys, now you can see that the new text that we have added to the announcement bar is coming, and also there is also another option over here. If we click on it, then the sales collection page opens because we have given a link of sales collection. So this means that our announcement bar is successfully working. Let's go back. Now, we can also add another announcement bar, like I'll show you. If I click on another, now if I click on another, then I can give a name to this. It also give a link for this. Now click on save. Now let's refresh the page. Now we can see that the second announcement bar is also appearing, but it is tagged one below the other. But it doesn't look good, so we can get rid of it. We can also disable it by clicking on this eye icon. If I click on this, then it will go. Let's click on save. Now we'll have a look at the slideshow options. The slideshow options allows us to add sliding banners to our website. If I click on the slideshow option over here, then at the right side, I can see the settings of it, like what kind of layout I want, whether I want a full width layout or I want a grid layout. Then I can also change the slide height, like if I want adapt to first image, then small, medium and large. We also have the pagination style counter. We also can give dots and numbers, like over here how we have 1/3. We can also give numbers like 1, 2, 3. We can also give dots over here. I'll go with dots because dots look much better. We also have the auto rotate slides, so automatically the slides will rotate. So we don't need to click on the arrow buttons over here and also on the dots to rotate the slide. The slides will be automatically rotated. Then we have the change slide every so and so second, like currently it will change after 5 seconds. If I reduce this time, then it will change after every 3 seconds. Similarly, we can increase this. Let's keep 5 seconds only. Now let's click on the slideshow to add the banner image. On the right side, we have an option for cover image. If I click on change and then I need to click on select image. Over here, we can upload the banner image. I'll upload one. I have uploaded the banner image. Also, you can see the preview of that banner over here in the theme editor. Now, let's click on select. We can give it a heading like fashion, save. But we currently don't want this, so we can remove this option from here. We'll get rid of this particular section so that Only the banner is visible clearly. I'll remove this subheading and also the button label. Now we need to untick show container on desktop to remove this container which is shown over here. Now you guys can see that the banner is appearing properly without any content on it. Only we have the text which we have inserted while creating the banner, that is fashion clothes store. Other than that, we are having nothing. We can also change the desktop content alignment like left, center, right, but we will not change this currently. We also have the image overlay opacity. If I make changes to it, then the opacity of the on the banner changes. Let's reduce this. Also, we have the color scheme. We have accent 1, accent 2, and others. This will be when we use this container on desktop, then it will be useful. Now, since we have changed the color, the container color has changed. Now, let's click on save. We'll also add another slideshow banner. Let's click on slideshow at the left side. We'll upload another banner image. Now the banner has been inserted. We'll get rid of this container over here which is shown. So to get rid of it, just scroll down and remove this option, show container on desktop. So the container has gone. So we also need to remove the heading text and also the subheading. We'll also have to remove the button. If you want to have a button for navigating to another page, then you can have a button on the banner, but we don't need currently. Now click on save. Once it is saved, we need to go on the front end and we'll have a look at the changes. So guys, this is how the website looks. It shows the banners over here. We also have the pagination for changing the banners. It looks really beautiful. We had given the pagination over here X dots, but it is not coming. Let's see why. I guess the settings are not saved. Yeah. So it shows counter over here. Let's change it to dots. Now let's click on save and we'll see whether the change is now appearing or not. So now we need to have dots over here for the pagination. Let's refresh the page. So there we go. Now the dots are coming. Also, if you see, the banners are not automatically rotated. So let's see whether those settings are also there or not. So guys, over here, this is unchecked. So let's save this. Now, if we reload the website, then the banners will be automatically rotated after 5 seconds. So let's see whether the banners are rotated or not. So there we go guys, the banners are automatically rotated after every 5 seconds. I am not clicking on anything. So the banners are automatically rotated. Now for the third banner, we'll have to click on again slideshow. This time we'll insert the image from the free images section over here which Shopify is giving us. Now we have the different categories for the images. I'll go under women's fashion. Then we need to click on the image that we want. Select the image and click on select. For this banner, we'll have the container, but we'll change the text inside this container. Like under heading, we can give coolest fashion, and we can also change the subheading. Now we can also give a link for this particular button. Similarly, we can change the name of the button. I can say explore. So guys, over here now it shows explore. I'll also give a link to it, like I can give the collection link like sales. Now let's click on save. Once changes are saved, we'll go on the front end and we'll see whether the changes are coming or not. Let's go to the third panel. Now there we go guys. The container is coming. Also the text which we had inserted is also coming along with the button over here. We also have the free image that we inserted from Shopify. Now if I click on this, then I will be navigated to the sales collection because I had given the link inside the button. So guys, currently we have done changes for the homepage banners. So guys, that's all in this video. In the other videos, we'll see how to customize the other options that are there on the home page. So before ending this video, if you like this video, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down and don't forget to like and share this video.